Activity 1. Compare and contrast. The goal of activity is establish clear shared understanding of core GRC vocabulary. Team preparation guide. Team should use following points the foundation for their 3 to 5 minutes presentation. Comparison topic governance versus management. Definition of terms. A. Governance. The system by which of organizations is directed and controlled. Setting the rest. Definition of term. B. Management. The function of executing the plan and tasks required to meet objective, implementing a new firewall. Core distinction and example. First is a governance is the settings that strategic direction and oversight. Management is a day-to-day execution to achieve that directions.
Governance versus compliance. Governance, internally driven framework for the defining how the organization achieves its objectives and manage risk. Compliance, externally driven function of proving that the organization meets specific requirements, laws, regulations, contracts. Governance defines how we operate to meet our goals. Proactive compliance proves we are meeting the rules set by others. Reactive reporting.
Auditing a periodic independent review, internal or external, to verify that controls are. Monitoring an always-on detective activity designed, track system activity and look for immediate threats. Or auditing is like an annual physical checkup. Monitoring is like an EKG, continuously checking for immediate fraud.
Group discussion focus. Relationship management relies on governance to define the security policy. Compliance report to governance on adherence to laws. Auditing verifies that management is following governance policy. Interdependence. No organization can be compliant external without having proper governance internal, and please to set the roles and management to execute them.